One of the things that annoys me the most in this work is when scientific people claim that their positions are scientific when they're exactly not. Here's an example of this to illustrate this point. For example, if I say that immortality is real, some scientific person will come in here, some skeptical jackass, and will say, oh, that can't be real, that's not scientific. Immortality is unscientific. But that statement itself is unscientific. What experiment have you done to demonstrate that immortality doesn't exist? Have you done any experiment? No, you haven't. There has never been such an experiment. And yet, you claim your position is scientific. And you don't understand that you're not being scientific. In fact, that is literally the definition of pseudoscience, what you're doing. Just because an idea does not fit your current imagination and your current paradigm of how things work does not mean that that idea is impossible or that that idea is unscientific. To think that way is the corruption of science. What you're doing is pseudoscience. Science, to be truly scientific, you can't close off any possibilities unless you've definitively disproven them. Has science definitively disproven immortality? No, it hasn't. How would it disprove that? Show me the experiments that were done to disprove that. It could very well be the case that when human beings die, they go to like a different dimensions that science doesn't have access to. And science can't disprove that. Now, that doesn't mean I want you to believe in it. Now, some scientists, smartass, would come in here and say, yeah, but science can't also disprove the flying spaghetti monster. That doesn't mean we believe in a flying spaghetti monster. Correct. However, you're making a mistake again, because I'm not asking you to believe in a flying spaghetti monster or in immortality. I'm just asking you to be open to the possibility that there is immortality or a flying spaghetti monster. Yes, I'm literally telling you that for you to be truly scientific, you have to be open to the possibility of flying spaghetti monsters. That doesn't mean you believe in them or that you have faith in them. It simply means that you're open to it and that you don't claim that it's impossible. See, what's unscientific is to come out here and say that flying spaghetti monsters are impossible. That's unscientific. And it saddens me deeply that otherwise intelligent academics and PhDs and serious scientists don't understand this.